Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. My name is Narendra and welcome back to Be10x. Today we are diving into some powerful new features in Excel that can transform how you handle data. The dynamic array functions like filter, sort, unique, and sequence. These functions can make your work much more efficient and save you a lot of time. Before we move forward, I would like to tell you that Be10x is offering an exclusive workshop on Microsoft Office using AI tools. The link is in the description. We'll talk more about it later in the video.
Working professionals, are you using Excel, Power BI, PowerPoint or Word in your day-to-day life? What if I tell you that you're wasting 95% of your time while you're doing so? How so, you will be asking me? Because you're not using ChatGPT and AI tools while doing all of these work.
Let's start by exploring what dynamic arrays are. Unlike traditional array formulas, dynamic arrays can spill over into adjacent cells, making them incredibly flexible and powerful. First up, the filter function. This allows you to filter a range of data based on criteria you defined. Imagine you have a large data set and you only want to see the rows where the sales are above a certain threshold. Let's see an example on filter function using ChatGPT. As you can see, we got the output. Before we continue, let's talk about something crucial. AI is taking over the world. In such a short span of time, we have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs replaced by AI, and whatnot. You don't want to get affected by this recession wave, right? When AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will. If you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 2-hour Microsoft Office using AI tools workshop. In this workshop, we will teach you about the best AI tools to upskill, increase your productivity, and enhance your career. Make your future secure with us. Join our workshop by clicking the link below in the description now. Let's continue with our example. As you can see, here is an example. So we got the dummy data. So the dummy data is about student grades. And we have 3 columns. First one being student names, then subjects. After that, we have grades. And the goal is we want to filter out the students who scored 85 or more in maths. So here is a step-by-step example. First of all, we have to copy the table to our Excel sheet. Let's do this. As you can see, I have copied the data to our Excel sheet. So the data range is this one. Then criteria, subject is math, grade is 85 or more, and here is a filter function. So let's break down the formula. First of all, let's copy the formula and we'll paste this thing in cell E1. Okay. Let's enter. And here are the 3 students and the subjects, which is math, and they have scored 85 or more. So let's break down the formula now. Okay. So first one is the range. As you can see, this is a range. Then this thing, which is include. So what we are doing is, first one is a criteria to check if the subject is math. So in second column, we are having all the subjects, right? So here we are checking if the subject is math or not. Then we are multiplying it with this one, C2 to C8, third column. And we are checking greater than or equals to 85. So the grade should be greater than or equals to 85, and we are multiplying both of these. Okay. And we are specifying no results. This is a value that will be displayed if no rows meet the criteria. As you can see, we got the same result. So we can adjust the filter function for different criteria. For example, if you want to adjust the criteria, we can change the conditions in the filter function. For example, to filter students who scored 70 or more in any subject, you can use this. So here is a filter function for that. Let's copy this. So we'll paste this thing here. As you can see, here we are just specifying this. Moving on to the next one, let's look at the sort function. Sorting data is fundamental task in Excel, and the sort function makes it much easier. Let's look at an example using ChatGPT. As you can see, we got the output. So let's look at the dummy data. So we have a table of employees with their names, departments, and salaries. So the goal is to sort this data by department alphabetically, salary from highest to lowest. So here are the step-by-step example. First of all, let's copy the data to our Excel sheet. As you can see, I've copied the data to our Excel sheet. So here is a sort function. First of all, let's copy the sort function and we'll paste it in E1 cell. I'm just going to click enter. Here is a result. First of all, let's break down this function. Here is a range A2 to C8. Then 2, 3. The columns to sort by second column for department and third column for salary. So that means this is a sort index. Okay. Second column for department and third column for salary. Then 1, -1. The sort order for each column. 1 for ascending and -1 for descending. So we got the exact result. As you can see here, department is in alphabetical order. Then here salaries are in highest to lowest. If you can see, for finance, the first salary 72,000 is greater than 69,000, and here for HR you can see 60,000 is greater than 58,000 and 55,000, and same case for IT also. 75,000 is greater than 70,000. So here is the additional examples. Sorting by salary only, descending order. For that purpose, we can use this function. We can also do this example, sorting by name, alphabetical order. We can use this function. Now let's move on to the unique function, which is a game changer for dealing with duplicates. This function extracts unique values from a range, helping you quickly identify distinct entries. Let's see an example using ChatGPT. As you can see, we got the output. Here is a dummy data. We have a list of transactions with customer names and products they purchased. So here is a customer names and products they purchased. We want to extract a list of unique customer names. So that's the goal. Then here is a step-by-step example. First of all, let's copy the data to our Excel sheet. As you can see, I have copied the data to our Excel sheet. So here is a unique function. Let's copy this. So we are going to paste it in cell D1. As you can see, we got the output. So we are just specifying the range from which we want to extract unique values. So it will automatically extract the unique values. Right? We can see here Bob is purchasing tablet as well as laptop. And here Alice is purchasing laptop as well as smartphone. So here is a unique customer names. We also have additional examples. The first one being extracting unique combinations of customer and product. And the second one is extracting unique products. And the last one is combining unique with other functions. Finally, let's see sequence function. This is incredibly useful for generating sequential numbers or dates. Let's see an example using ChatGPT. As you can see, we got the output. So here is a dummy data on employee names. So our goal is to generate a sequence of unique ID numbers starting from 1, incremented by 1 for each employee. Here is a step-by-step example. So before that, let's copy the data to our Excel sheet. As you can see, I have copied the data. So here is a sequence function. Let's copy this. So here we are going to place it in B1. As you can see, we got the output here. So let's break down the formula. So first one is count A to A6. So what it does, this counts the number of employees, 5 in this case. The result of count A to A6 will be 5. Then here we are specifying 1, right? So the columns, we have only 1, and we are starting with 1, and the step is also 1, right? That's why the first one we got is 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. So here is the result, and we got the exact result. So here are the additional examples. Generating a 2D sequence array, generating a sequence with a different start and step, using sequence to fill dates. And that's it for this video. These dynamic array functions, filter, sort, unique, and sequence are incredibly powerful tools that can streamline your workflow and make data management in Excel much more efficient. Start using them today to see the difference they can make. If you found this video helpful, do like, comment, share the video, and subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. Also, do check out our workshop, link in the description. We'll see you there. Thank you.